Students of class 6, now today we will start exercise 11b. First question. Our first question is, the monthly salary of a person is 12,000 and his monthly expenditure is 8,500. Find the ratio of his salary to expenditure. This is salary, this is expenditure. Expenditure to saving, this is expenditure, and to saving, what is the saving? Saving means the difference between earning and expenditure. Means when we subtract 8,500 from 12,000, means 3,500 will be the saving. So expenditure to saving and saving to salary means 3,500 to 12,000. So these answers we have to find out. So question number 1 we will solve there. 2 and 3 are the same questions also. Third question we will solve. Second question you will solve by yourself. Third question is, weekly expenses of a Y have increased from 1500 to 2,250. It means his expenses have increased by 750 rupees. Find the ratio of increase in expenses to original. Increase means how much amount is increase. So 750 to the original is 1500. Original expense to increased after increment, how much amount he gets. So this amount, original 1500, and this is this, okay, 1500 to 2,250. Then increased expenses means this is increased to increase. How much increase? 750 was increased there. So one by one, question 1 and 3 I am going to solve there. Second question you can solve by yourself. Now our first question is, so class 6 maths chapter 1 ratio exercise 11b, question number 1. First of all, what is given there? Salary. The salary is rupees 12,000. Expenditure is 8,500. So first of all, find out the saving. What will be the saving there? Means 12,000 minus 8,500. This will be 3,500 will be the saving. This is the saving. Now point 1, find out the ratio between salary to expenditure. Ratio salary to expenditure. Salary to expenditure. Salary is 12,000. Expenditure is 8,500. Salary to expenditure, 0 will be cancelled there. This is 120 upon 85. Cancel one by one. So first of all, cancel by 5. 5 with 2 is 10. 20 is remain. 5 4 is 20. 5 1 is 5. 5 7 is 35. Means this is 24 ratio 17. This is the ratio of salary to expenditure. Second point, expenditure to saving. Expenditure to saving. What is expenditure? 8,500. Saving 3,500. What is saving? Saving means how much amount he earns, subtract his expenditure, then saving will be there. 0 will be cancelled there. 85 upon 35. Cancel by 5. 5 17 ja 85 and 5 7 ja 35. Means 17 ratio 7. This is the ratio between expenditure to saving. Next is saving to salary. Our third point is saving to salary. What is saving? Saving is 3,500 and salary was there 12,000. 0 will be cancelled there. Cancel by 5. 7 5 ja 35. 5 with 2 ja 10 and 5 4 ja 20. Means 7 ratio 24. This is the ratio between salary, saving to salary. saving to salary 7:24. Now the next question, that is third question is, weekly expense of a boy have increased by 1500 from 1500 to 2250, means its original expenses, its original expense was there 1500, increase from 1500 to 2250, it means increase amount increase amount and increased after increased amount after increased, that was 2250. So what is increase? Means after increment subtract the basic, means 750. This is increase. After increase, this is increased, and this is basic, means original. First point, find out the ratio between increase in expense to original expense. Increase in expense to original expense. Increase upon original. Increase is 750. Original was 1575. 2 ja 150, means 1/2 equal to 1:2. This is the answer of part 1. Part 2 is original expense to increased. Original to increased. What is original? Original is original to increased. Original to increased. Original was there 1500, increased 2250. Cancel 0 0. This is 150 upon 225. Both the numbers will be cancelled by 25. 25 6 is 150. 25 9 ja 225. Now it can be cancelled by 3 also. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. It means 2:3. Now the next part, third, increased expenses to increase in expense. Increased to increase. Increased 2250 and increase 750. 0 0 will be cancelled there. Both the numbers will be cancelled by 15. Sorry, 25. 25 9 ja 225. 25 3 ja 75. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. This is 3:1. This is the answer of part third. Now question 4 of this exercise. Fourth question is, reduce each of the following or ratios to their lowest term. Means if these quantities are not in its lowest term, this is not called ratio, because ratio is the number. Ratio is the also fraction, but in its lowest term. First of all, we convert this minutes into hours, or this hours into minutes, means unit must be same. Week and days, week will be converted into days, or days will be converted into week. So first of all, make the same unit, then convert into its lowest term. Point 3 and 5 I will solve there. Remaining part you will solve by yourself. Very simple points are there, easily you can solve. Question number 4, part 3. Third part is 3 years 4 month ratio 5 years and 5 month. First of all, convert all the units, all the numbers in month. 3 years means 1 year consists of 12 months, means 12 into 3, this is in month, plus 4 month, 12 years converted into month means 12 with 3 36 month plus 4 month means 40 month. Ratio 5 years means 5 into 12. This is 12 5 ja 60 month plus 5 month. Okay, so now 12 with 3 ja 36 plus 4 ratio 60 plus 5. No need to write now these unit because both are same, will be cancelled. This is 40 ratio 65. Cancel by 5. You can write also in this manner that 40 upon 65. It will be cancelled by 5. 5 8 ja 40. 5 1 ja 5. 1 is a remainder. 5 3 ja 15 means 8 ratio 13. This is question number 4 part 1. Now question number 4 part 5th. Part 5th is 5 kilogram 500 gram ratio 2 kilogram 750 gram. Convert these units in gram. 5 kilogram means 5000 gram. That is 5000 gram plus 500 gram also. Ratio 2000. 2 kilogram means 2000 gram plus 750 gram means at them that will be 5500 gram ratio 2750 gram. Now write in this manner that will be easy to solve you. Now this 0 will be cancelled there. 550 to 75. Both of the numbers can be cancelled by 25. 25 2 ja 50. 5 is remainder. So this is 50 again. 25 2 ja 50. Now 25 1 ja 25. 2 is remainder. That is 25. So 25 1 ja 25. Now 11 2 ja 22. This is 2 ratio 1. Now this is answer of this part and this is answer of this part. Now our next question, this is question number 5. The fifth question is the numbers are in the ratio 9 ratio 2. If the smaller number is 320, find out the larger. Means very easy. This is 2 equal to 320 means 2x equal to 320. So x equal to 320 upon 2. 16 2 ja 32 means 160. Now find out the value of 9. Means 9 means 9x. This is 2x. Then 9x equal to 9 into x means 9 into 160. So 16 9 ja 144 means 1440 will be the answer there. This question you will solve by yourself. This 2x equal to 320, x equal to 160, then 9x equal to this, and 1440 will be the answer there. Sixth question, bus travels 180 kilometer in 3 hours. 180 kilometer in 3 hours, and a train travels 450 kilometer in 5 hours. Find the ratio of speed train to ratio of speed of train to speed of bus. Train to bus, T to B. Train to bus means first of all we have to find out the speed of train, then find out the speed of bus. Train to bus. So find out the speed of train, then find out the speed of bus, then after we find out the ratio. So you know speed. What is speed? Speed equal to distance upon time. So speed of train will be distance upon time, means this will be 90 kilometer, and its speed equal to distance upon time. So 6 3 18 means this will be 60 kilometer per hour. Now ratio train to speed of bus. Train to bus. This is train, this is bus, means 90 upon 60. So 3 ratio 2 will be the answer there. So this question you can also solve. Very easy question is this. This is 7th question you will solve.